And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo, no, if you love naman yung medyo tagong lugar, this is the lot location in this map. This is located at Block 23, Lot 3B. No guys, etong lote na to, as you can see, malapit ka lang dito sa Street and Fitness Park or Active Park na pocket park nitong village. And then this Block 23 Lot 3B is at 280 square meter again. Guys, no, the total contract price of this lot is only 19.7 million if a flash ko sa screen yung sample computation. But then guys, no, this is for as low as 24,000 per month with annual lump sum, 5 years to pay at 0% interest. You can already own this Block 23 Lot 3B. Guys, as you can see, tanaw mo pa dito yung clubhouse natin. But then again, no, itong 280 square meter na to, malapit ka rin sa guardhouse, dun sa second entry natin. And then ito na yung mga commercial district natin, as you can see yung mga building dyan. And then guys, this is 5 years to pay. Ang ganda lang nito guys, kasi once na ma-develop talaga itong township natin, hindi na ito yung presyo nun. Anytime guys, no, after the reservation of 70,000, you can already own this lot. No, anytime naman guys sa 5 years, you can pay advance payment, no, para pagdating ng balance natin, maliit na lang siya. Some of the clients, no, since 0% interest nga tayo, hindi na nila namalayan na halos na pay off na nila yung buong property. So again guys, this 280 square meter, you can build your primary home or dream home or rest house for your family, a 2-story house, no, with car park. Ang ganda lang kasi you are part of this exclusive village and you are part of Mega World Township, just like etong nasa labas ko. So if you love this lot guys, please contact me in my number below to reserve this lot. So see you, and mag-tour tayo dito if you want to know more.